Welcome everyone, my name is Tornadoally and this is the second devlog in a series of update videos. Before showing any changes, I'd like to bring up my plans for this game, as I forgot to last time. I'm hoping to make a realistic shooter with gunplay like Call of Duty Modern Warfare, but there will be a lot of game modes to choose from. My favorite part of games has always been the special modes, so my game will make that a reality. Some modes that I have planned on making are Sniper with low gravity, Sumo 1v1 where bullets deal no damage but there's heavy knockback, and maybe a golden gun mode where each player is given a one-shot revolver. Alright, now for the content of this update. I've added the Scar as the main weapon. This is because it's the most useful to test with while I'm adding new animations. The bolt handle makes it easy to see the difference between when the player shoots and when the shot is registered. Another way the Scar is helpful is when testing the new weapon movement system. This system works by making animations based off of the main position for walking, running, crouching, or idle. These animations are for how the arms as a whole bob when moving. Then I layered animations over the weapon itself that are for each of the basic weapon interactions. At the moment, these are only shooting and reloading, but I'm sure that there will be other interactions with the weapon later, like select fire. The red dot attachment was added to use for testing an easy to set up aiming script that I want to add. This will be a script that can get the position needed for the arms to aim the reticle in the direct center of the screen. Previously, I would do this by hand, measuring to the exact magnified pixel, which is inefficient and unneeded. This is the end product of that script. Another big change since the last update is the new recoil. Every shot, the camera will now bounce up, eventually reach a max height, and then settle back to the starting position. The script is still in early stages, and there are still many things that need to be improved with the behavior. As I said in the last video, I'm using bot character models and arms, which isn't good for the game's credibility and originality. I've started the process of making a Glock and an AK. Here are some images of them in progress. Another issue was that the sounds I was using were terrible. I've started learning about sound design in games, and it surprisingly plays a huge role. If you're interested, I've linked a video that dives into the sound design of Modern Warfare in the description. Anyways, I've started creating some of the sounds for my game. I'm starting with the shooting sound as well as hit markers. The shooting audio is important because it defines the handling of a weapon. It shows the quality of your game. If you have bad shooting sounds, then the entire game will be seen as cheap and trash. On the other hand, the hit marker is important for keeping players interested. It not only helps the player know if what they shot at was hit, but also brings satisfaction to landing these shots. Here are the audios that I've come up with so far. I still need to learn how to do the reload audio as well as basic footsteps. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching to the end, and I'll see you next time.